In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a daily and weekly planner in ClickUp. We'll build a clean, repeatable planner using a ready-made template so you can start organizing your days and weeks right away. Open your browser and head to ClickUp. Then sign into your workspace. Once you're in, choose the space where you want this planner to live. A space in ClickUp is like a container for related work. Keeping your planner inside the right space helps you manage permissions, notifications, and visibility without extra setup. Inside that space, look for the plus icon to create something new. This is your starting point for adding lists, docs, and most importantly here, templates. Click the plus icon, then open the Templates option. Templates save tons of time because they come pre-structured with sections, fields, and formatting you'd otherwise have to build from scratch. In the template library's search bar, type Daily Planner. ClickUp will filter down to relevant options. When you see the Daily Planner template, select it to preview the layout. Take a second to scan what's included. Most daily planner templates provide sections for priorities, scheduled blocks, to-dos, and notes. This structure is great for time blocking, reducing decision fatigue, and making your day feel intentional. Click Use Template to begin adding it to your space. You'll be prompted to give it a name. Choose something descriptive so it's easy to find later. Many people include the team or area plus the word planner, and if you're creating one for a specific period, add a date range. Clear naming conventions help keep your sidebar tidy as you scale. Confirm by clicking Use Template again, and give ClickUp a moment to set everything up. While it loads, a quick tip. If you plan to manage both daily and weekly planning, think of this as your base. Use the daily layout to outline today's top 3 priorities, schedule focused work blocks, and capture quick notes. For a weekly overview, you can mirror the same content at a higher level. Summaries of goals, key deadlines, and a snapshot of meetings, so you always know what's coming next. Many users keep both side by side, the weekly view to orient the big picture and the daily page to execute. Once the template finishes loading, you're ready to personalize. Update headings to match your workflow, adjust any fields that don't fit, and set your first priorities. From here, you can duplicate the page for each new day or week to maintain consistency. That's it. Your ClickUp planner is in place and ready to guide your schedule with clarity and focus.